Hello and welcome to my little tutorial that is designed to teach you how to write a WordPress blog post on our website lovelanguages.com. The first thing you will need to do is enter into the search bar the address that I sent to you in your email. The next thing is to log in with the username and the password. The password can be changed later on for something more secure within your profile on the website. Once you have logged in, you will come to the dashboard. Within this dashboard is everything you need to create posts and pages that are displayed on the website. To create a new post, we're going to look for the link that says post, click on it. To create a post, we could use one of two main ways. The first way is to add new post. This creates a blank canvas for you to work from. We're not going to do that. What we're going to do is select a post we've already created earlier and either click clone or a new draft. This is a post that I'm creating for you to go along with this tutorial. To start off with your post, you need to select a title. For your title, you will start by thinking of a few keywords that describe your post and what you're going to be writing about. My keyword is going to be how to write a WordPress blog post. It's quite a long keyword, so you should try to make sure your keywords are quite short. My keyword could also be WordPress blog posts. Once you have thought of a few keywords, the next thing we're going to do is write our content. To write our content, we're going to first need to highlight this information and stop here at this line. We do not want to delete anything below this line because there is hidden code that you cannot see. I will show you what that looks like. This is the code that you cannot see. It's an AdSense banner. It will be displayed at the end of all your posts. So try not to delete this code when you are writing your post. I will show you what this looks like once it has been published. So this is the AdSense banner that will appear at the end of all your posts. The next thing we're going to want to do is create our content. Within your content, you'll probably be going to want to include media such as audio, video, or images. To insert images into your post, simply go to where you want. I'm going to put an image right at the end here. To insert an image, go to Add Media, Upload Files, Select Files. I'm just going to select this file. In the alt text, we're going to write a short description about our image. The next section is the alignment of our image. You can select left to align the image to the left of the page, center, or right. I want my image to appear in the center of my text. And then select the size of the image. I'm leaving it at full size and I'm going to insert it into post. There is our image. It's beautiful. To add audio into the post, we go through the same process. Add media, upload files, select files, and then we search for an audio file. I'm going to select this one. And insert into post. This is our media file. To insert video into the post, we're going to need the embed code for the video. Depending on the video hosting website that you're using, the embed codes can be found in different places. I'm using YouTube. Let's go and have a look. To find the embed code for a YouTube video, you first go to Share and then select Embed. This is the code we're going to need to copy. If you want to change the video size, you can either choose one of these sizes or customize your own. I'm going to select 300 and it will automatically fill in the height. Select the code, copy, go back to your post and select the text tab and then post the video where you want it to show up in your post. I want it to show up at the top, so I'm going to carefully delete the video that's already there and then paste my code here. If I go back to the visual side, my video is there. So that's how we include media into our post. The next section we're going to want to figure out is the WordPress SEO. The WordPress SEO section will optimize our site so that we can be found in the search engine. This is the WordPress SEO section. We need to input our focus keyword. So whichever keyword you've chosen, I'm just going to copy and paste my keyword, my title, and post it into my keyword. The keyword needs to appear in a few sections throughout our document. The first place it needs to appear is in the title at the top, of course, in the SEO title, which will be here, as we go through and fill out each section, you will notice that these are turning green. We still have a few red ones, so let's go through and fix those. The page URL. The page URL can be found here. Let's save the draft so that we can refresh the information. Let's go down and have a look and see. Okay, so the page URL has turned to green. The next section we're going to want to sort out is the meta description. For the meta description, we'll just again paste in our keywords. And look, it's turned green. What we're hoping for is for all of these to turn green. We still have 119 characters remaining, so to fill out those, we're going to go to our post and select a really good descriptive section of our post, copy it, and paste it into the meta description. Good. We have 6 characters remaining. If we posted any more, it will turn red, so try not to go over the 156 characters. Our keyword should also appear as a main title within our blog post. Here I've created one, but let me show you how I did that. Paste in your keyword, go to Formats, Headings, and select Heading 2. Try to make sure your keyword is in a header 2 tag somewhere in your post. We've also got our keyword in another section of our post, right here. Look at that. Once everything is to your satisfaction and you have created your how to write a WordPress blog post, make sure your keyword is somewhere else within your content. The next thing that we're going to want to do is select a format for our post. We can select either standard, gallery, audio, video, or a quote. I'm going to stick with the standard post. After that, we need to create or select a category. Here. The default category will be uncategorized. This will be ticked automatically. So make sure you untick that and find the correct category. If a category you would like to use is not there, then simply add a new category. And then click Add Category. And that is how we create a new category. After that's finished, we're going to want to create some tags. Tags are another form of navigation, and they will help your readers to find related content. We've already written a few tags. Let's delete that so you will know how it's done. Within a post, we would want to keep it to a maximum of 3 tags. So my first tag is going to be WordPress. My second tag is going to be blog posts. And then my third tag is going to be how to write blog posts. After that, we will need to set a featured image. We already have one here, but let's just remove that. Set a featured image, go to Upload Files, select Files, and then select a file. I'm just going to reselect this one, and then write a little description in the alt text about what your image is about. How to write blog posts, and then set your featured image. Beautiful. The next thing we're going to move on to is proofread. We need to proofread our text so that we don't have those pesky little spelling or grammar mistakes. To proofread your text, go up to the ABC tab and click that. Any mistakes will be highlighted in red. Okay, here we have a spelling mistake that should be embed, and yoku, that's fine. We'll just ignore that. And let's put it with a small k, that's fine. Okay, let's test it again. Great, we have no writing errors. Let's move on. The next thing we're going to try to do is a preview. You can preview your post through various stages of production, just to make sure that everything is looking the way you want it to. This is the preview of our post, and this is how our post will look on the website. Here is the banner for the text that you should never, 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 never delete. That looks lovely. After you have verified that everything is to your satisfaction, we're going to hit publish. I'm not going to publish this yet because I'm not finished with it, but you can go ahead and hit publish. After you have published your post, the final step is to promote. Promote, promote, promote. We want our readers to find our lovely work. You've put in all that hard work. Now you want people to read it. So go to the sharing buttons. This one is awesome, by the way. I think this is the best social sharing app that I have come across. It has all the social sharing networks that you can think of. QQ Space, Weixin. I haven't tried this yet, but I will try it very soon. Renren, Google Plus. It has everything. You can share it to your QQ friends, MSN. You can email it using several of the email functions. Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Reddit. It has everything. So go ahead and share your post to your heart's content. And that's it. We finished writing our first blog post.